If you're working toward the Hack the Box CPTS certification, you already know the hardest part isn't learning the material, it's staying consistent. It's waking up every day and sticking to the grind, even when life gets busy, motivation dips, or the labs get tough. And that's why I built this HTB CPTS tracking system. So now let me walk you through exactly how it works. First, create an account and log in. Once you're inside, this is your main dashboard, your command center. Here, you'll see an overview of all the certifications you're currently enrolled in, along with your overall progress and status. You've got the menu. We have Dashboard, your account, where you can update your profile and setting, and everything you need to manage your certifications. Simple, clean, and focused. Now, let's add a certification. Click the plus Add Certification button. From here, select your certification, CPTS in this case, then choose your start date. And this next part is powerful. Choose your schedule mode. You can set an actual exam date, and the system will automatically calculate how many sections you need to complete each day. Or choose a daily pace if you prefer consistency over deadlines. Below that, you'll see an instant overview of your plan, so you know exactly what lies ahead. And of course, the best part, the commitment contract. This is more than just a feature. It's accountability. It's a personal pledge to yourself that you will complete this certification. Here, you'll write your personal motivation, why you're doing this, what this certification means for your career, and who you're doing it for. Then you sign it. Once that's done, your certification appears on your dashboard. Click on your certification, and this is where the real magic happens. At the top, you'll see Status, whether you're on track or falling behind, a progress bar so you always know how far you've come. And an exam countdown, constantly reminding you of the mission ahead. Then you have your daily target and your schedule, clearly showing what you need to achieve to stay on pace. Next is one of my favorite features, Daily Command Briefing. This gives you crystal clear direction. No guessing, no wondering, what should I work on today? Every day, it tells you exactly which modules and sections to focus on, so your study sessions are structured, efficient, and purposeful instead of random and chaotic. This alone removes overwhelm and replaces it with clarity. Then we have streaks to keep you disciplined, show up daily, build momentum, and don't break the chain. And there's a leaderboard because sometimes a little friendly competition helps keep you moving. Scrolling down, you'll see the full list of CPTS modules. Click any module, and you'll see every section inside it. When you finish a section, just tick the checkbox. Everything is tracked instantly. You can also see which modules overlap with other Hack the Box certifications. And last but not least, the progress calendar. This shows how consistent you've been over time. You can literally see your study journey, good days, slow days, and those big grind sessions. It's visual proof that you're improving, and that's incredibly motivating. Use this system to stay disciplined, stay focused, and ultimately pass your certification. If you try it, please use the feedback button to share ideas or request new features, and I'll keep improving it based on how you're using it. Good luck on your CPTS journey.